Hello everyone! We are the Ethogram, the official blog of the UC Davis Animal Behavior Graduate Group. The Ethogram was founded in 2014 by a group of animal behavior graduate students from the University of California, Davis. We publish weekly content across 11 columns, adopting a multifaceted approach to science communication. Initially, the Ethogram targeted adult audiences. However, in 2020, we began expanding our material to more effectively engage younger readers as well. Our Young Explorers section is designed specifically for K-12 readers who want to learn more about animals, their behavior, and the scientists who study them. Ask a Scientist allows curious young readers to submit questions to our expert panel of animal behaviorists. Arts and Crafts publishes kids' animal-related artwork. We also include activities and lesson plans to get students thinking like a scientist. Finally, the Sci Hero trading cards are printable, condensed versions of our Science Heroes column, highlighting noteworthy biologists such as Drs. Roger Arliner Young, Temple Grandin, and Rachel Carson. These columns are intended to not only teach, but to inspire kids to question and create. During the COVID-19 pandemic and the accompanying educational upheaval, we were initially inspired to continue developing our virtual content and reach out specifically to K-12 students. The Ethogram developed a series of 3 lesson plans targeted for middle school students. These lessons are adaptable for online or in-person instruction and incorporate inquiry and active learning. We focus on 3 critical parts of the scientific method: asking questions, gathering data using an ethogram, and communicating results by writing about a species of the student's choice. Students can then submit their written pieces to our blog for publication. We are collaborating with local partners such as the Oakland Zoo, UC Davis Center for Community and Citizen Science, and California Gear Up to implement these lessons with K-12 students starting in fall 2021. Thanks to an ABS outreach grant, we are excited to launch new in-person activities with local schools and community members. Since our inception, we have reached more than 125,000 people across more than 180 countries and are thrilled to continue expanding our reach. Moving forward, the Ethogram team plans to continue making science accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. If you'd like to contribute to the Ethogram, you can visit our website and follow our other social media platforms by scanning the code or clicking the embedded links. You can also find our contact info on the Ethogram website and request access to lesson plans for your own use or implementation. Thank you to ABS for organizing this conference, for awarding us the ABS Outreach Grant. Thank you to the Animal Behavior Graduate Group for their continued enthusiasm and support for our blog. We are grateful to our many contributors without whom the Ethogram would not exist, and we look forward to presenting at a future conference. Thank you so much.